Hello, grade 11 students. Welcome to Physics 1 STEM elective. Have you ever wondered how your smartphones send messages, how airplanes stay in the air, or how doctors can see the human body without surgery? The answer lies in physics. Physics is a science that helps us understand how the natural world works, from the smallest particle to the largest galaxies. In this video lesson, we will discover how physics shapes our daily lives and why it remains one of the most important fields of science in the modern world. Our learning competency for this lesson is to use secondary sources to evaluate the impact of physics in society and identify careers related to physics. This means that we will examine information from textbook, articles, journals, and other reliable references to understand how physics influences the world around us. Content standard. Physics is fundamental to understanding the natural world in scientific way and leads to the development of the many applications that benefit society. As STEM students, understanding this application will help you appreciate how scientific knowledge can be transformed into technologies and innovations that improve people's lives. Now that we understand the importance of physics, let's begin exploring how this field has transformed communication, transportation, healthcare, energy production, and environmental protection in our modern world. So let us now define first physics. Physics is the branch of science that studies matter, energy, motion, forces, and the interaction between them. It seeks to explain natural phenomena through observation, experimentation, and mathematical analysis. Physics serves as the foundation of the many scientific and technological advancements that transform human life. Through the study of physics, people gain a deeper understanding of the natural world and develop innovation that improve communication, transportation, healthcare, energy production, and environmental sustainability. So, what are the secondary sources? Secondary sources are materials that analyze, interpret, summarize, or discuss information originally presented in primary sources. Example of secondary sources: textbook, review articles, encyclopedias, scientific magazine, government reports, and research summaries. These sources help learners understand scientific discoveries and evaluate their significance in society. Have you ever wondered how you can instantly send a message through Messenger, or join a Zoom class, or watch TikTok videos using your smartphone? The answer lies in physics. Through the study of electricity, magnetism, and electromagnetic waves, scientists discovered how information can travel across great distances. These discoveries led to technologies such as radio, television, phones, satellites, and wireless internet. For Filipino students like you, physics make it possible to attend online classes, communicate with classmates, and access educational resources anytime and anywhere. Even GPS applications like Google Maps rely on signals transmitted by satellites. Without physics, our modern digital lifestyle would be impossible. Communication technology number one example is the understanding of electromagnetic waves by physicists such as James Clerk Maxwell. He contributed to modern wireless communication systems. Every time you ride a jeepney, bus, tricycle, motorcycle, or even travel by airplane, you are experiencing physics in action. Concepts such as force, motion, energy, momentum, and friction helps engineers design transportation systems that are safe and efficient. Physics explain how brakes stop vehicles, how engines generate motion, and how airplanes stay in air. In the Philippines, transportation plays a vital role in connecting islands, communities, schools, and businesses. Modern vehicles are designed using physical principles to reduce fuel consumption and improve passenger safety. Because of physics, transportation today is faster, safer, and more reliable than ever before. Physics has greatly improved healthcare and helped save millions of lives around the world. Technologies such as X ray, MRI scans, CT scans, and ultrasound allow doctors to see inside the human body without performing surgery. Imagine visiting a hospital after an injury. These technologies help doctors quickly proper and provide identify problems and provide proper treatment. Physics is also used in radiation therapy to treat cancer and in laser technology used in surgeries and dental procedures. During health emergencies, medical technologies based on physics become even more important. Medical physicists work alongside doctors to ensure these tools are used safely and effectively. Through continuous research and innovation, physics continues to improve healthcare and increase life expectancy. Think about your daily routine: charging your phone, turning on your electric fan, using appliances, and studying under electric lights. All these activities depend on energy, and physics help us understand how energy is produced and used. The principles of electricity, thermodynamics, and nuclear physics are essential in generating power for homes, schools, and industries. Renewable energy sources such as solar panels and wind turbines use physics to convert natural resources into electricity. So here in the Philippines, where sunlight is abundant, solar energy has great potential for sustainable power generation. Physics also helps scientists develop better batteries and energy efficient technologies. As the demand for energy continues to grow, physics play a major role in creating cleaner and more sustainable energy solutions. The Philippines frequently experiences typhoons, floods, and other environmental challenges. Physics helps scientists understand weather patterns, climate systems, and environmental changes. Using satellite and advanced instrument research, researcher can monitor storms, track pollution level, and study the effect of climate change. Physics also contributes to the development of the renewable energy technologies that reduce greenhouse emission and dependence on fossil fuels. So, environmental scientists use physical models to predict natural disasters and help communities prepare for them. Technologies such as energy efficient appliances and sustainable transportation also help conserve natural resources. Through this application, physics supports efforts to protect the environment and ensure a better future for the next generation. Evaluating the impact of physics using secondary sources. So when evaluating information from secondary sources, consider number one, credibility. Is the source written by the expert? Is it published by a reputable institution? Number two, consider accuracy. Are the claims supported by a scientific evidence? Number three, relevance. Does the information relate to the topic being studied? Number three, currency. Is the information recent and up to date? And lastly, number five, objectivity. Does the source present information fairly and without bias? Now, let us now explore careers related to physics. If you enjoy asking questions about how the universe works and discovering new knowledge, a career in research and science may be for you. Physicists investigate the law of nature while astrophysicists study stars, planets, galaxies, and the origins of the universe. Nuclear scientists explore the behavior of atomic nuclei and develop application in medicine, energy, and industry. Material scientists study the properties of materials to create stronger, lighter, and more efficient products. These careers contribute to scientific discoveries that drive innovation and technological advancement. Physics serves as the foundation of many engineering careers. Mechanical engineers design machines, vehicles, and mechanical systems that improve everyday life. Electrical engineers work with electrical power, electronics communication system, and renewable energy technologies. Aerospace engineers design aircraft, satellite, and spacecraft that help us explore the skies and beyond. Civil engineers apply physics principles to construct safe buildings, bridges, roads, and other infrastructure. Through engineering, physics is transformed into practical solution that benefits the society. Physics also plays a vital role in healthcare and medicine. Medical physicists ensure the safe and effective use of technologies such as radiation therapy and medical imaging equipment. Radiologic technologists operate diagnostic tools like X-ray, CT scan, and MRI machine that help doctors identify diseases. Biomedical engineers combine physics, engineering, and biology to develop medical devices such as prosthetics, artificial organs, and patient monitoring systems. So these professionals help improve healthcare services and save lives through science and technologies. Many modern careers in technology and computing rely on physics and analytical thinking. Data scientists analyze large amounts of information to help organizations make a better decisions. So software developers create applications, websites, and digital system used by millions of people every day. So artificial intelligence specialists design intelligent systems capable of learning and solving complex problems. Electronics engineers develop and improve electronic devices such as smartphones, computers, and communication systems. These are the careers that are forefront of innovation in our increasingly digital world. If you enjoy sharing knowledge and helping others learn, education may be the right career path for you. Physics teachers introduce students to scientific concepts and inspire curiosity about natural world. Science educators develop learning materials and educational programs that make science more engaging and accessible. So university professors teach advanced subjects while conducting research that contributes to the scientific progress. Through education, these professionals help shape future scientists, engineers, healthcare workers, and innovators. As the world faces growing energy demand and environmental challenges, careers in energy and environmental science are becoming increasingly important. Renewable energy specialists develop technologies that harness energy from sources such as sunlight, wind, and water. These careers use physics to build a cleaner, safer, and more sustainable future for generations to come. So you might be wondering why I should study physics. Beyond learning formulas and solving equations, physics helps develop important skills that are useful in school, college, and future careers. So, number one, it develops critical thinking skills, problem solving abilities, mathematical reasoning, scientific literacy, and technological competence. These skills are highly valued in many professions and industries. So here are the important topic that you have to remember. So these are the concepts that we discussed about a while ago. Number four, physics offer diverse careers opportunities in engineering, in science, engineering, healthcare, education, technology, and environmental fields. So number five, understanding physics enables individuals to contribute to innovation and societal development. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. See you in the next video lesson. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much and God bless.